The number one thing you need to know about these glasses and the spoons, do not put them in the dishwasher. Don't do it. Don't put them in the dishwasher. Don't put them in the microwave, but look how gorgeous they are. Now, these used to be rose gold. So I'll show you in the sunlight a little better. Yeah, I've been putting stuff in the dishwasher. It's not smart. You're just gonna shorten the longevity of the life of these mugs. And yes, it's supposed to be 6. I only have 5 because I'm a dropper. It happens, life happens. However, they're so decadent, they're so beautiful. This is the sunflower pattern, as they call it. And then this is the raindrop pattern. I love both. Everybody has their favorites, of course, but with a pack of 6, you get 3 and 3. And then I also got this tray. This, I have thankfully not even tried to put in the dishwasher, hand wash only, or just like wipe it down with a damp paper towel. Just be real careful, keep it dry, keep it clean, keep it beautiful, and let it glisten and sparkle in the sunshine. You can put hot and cold drinks, just don't put it in the microwave. Just want to preserve the beautiful life of these gorgeous glass mugs. Oh, so pretty.